Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to send an email automatically on Pipedrive. Automation is one of the most powerful features inside CRM systems because it removes repetitive manual work and helps businesses communicate consistently with customers, leads, and clients. Instead of manually sending the same emails repeatedly, Pipedrive can automatically trigger emails based on dates, activities, deals, or customer actions. This improves workflow efficiency, follow-ups, and lead management significantly. Email automation means emails are sent automatically instead of being manually written and sent every time. Start by logging into Pipedrive. After entering the dashboard, click More. What this section contains. The More section contains advanced tools and management features such as automations, workflow tools, additional CRM settings, extended integrations. From the list, select Automations. This section allows you to build workflows that automatically perform actions based on certain conditions. Click the New Automation button at the top right. You now begin building the workflow logic for the automatic email. The first thing you configure is the trigger. A trigger tells Pipedrive, when should this automation start? There are two trigger types. You can choose between Event Trigger or Date Trigger. Now select the item related to the automation. Options include Activity, Deal, Organization, and Person. Since we selected Person, the automation will relate to a person/contact inside the CRM. Now choose the Date field, date, time, and location. These settings determine exactly when the automated email should be triggered. Then click Apply Trigger. The trigger condition is now saved and becomes the starting point for the automation. Now you configure what happens after the trigger activates. Click Action. Actions are the tasks Pipedrive performs automatically. Actions may include sending emails, updating records, creating tasks, and moving deals. Choose Email from the list there. Then select Send Email using Template. Templates save time because the email format is already prepared, messaging stays consistent, and repetitive typing is reduced. Now enter recipient email, sender information, and email template. Important clarification. The template determines subject line, message body, formatting, variables, and personalization. Finally, click Apply Action. Now, the email action becomes connected to the automation trigger. If you don't want to add more actions or conditions, click Save. What you just did. You created a workflow automation, defined when it should activate, configured an automatic email action, and connected triggers with CRM communication. You built an automated CRM communication system instead of relying on manual follow-ups. Why automated emails matter in CRM systems. Automated workflows help businesses respond faster, stay organized, improve customer experience, reduce missed follow-ups, and scale communication efficiently. To summarize, sending an email automatically in Pipedrive begins by logging into the account and opening the More section before selecting Automations. After clicking the New Automation button, you first create a trigger by choosing either an event trigger or a date trigger. In this example, a date trigger connected to a person record is selected along with the appropriate date, time, and location settings before clicking Apply Trigger. Next, an action is created by selecting Email and choosing the option to send an email using a template. After entering the recipient, sender, and template information, clicking Apply Action connects the email to the automation workflow, and finally clicking Save completes the automated email setup. And that's how to send an email automatically in Pipedrive. The biggest thing to understand is that automation is really about building systems, not just saving time. A properly designed automation workflow keeps communication consistent even when you're busy or managing many leads at once. So, that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.